So we're both part of the business development team, and what I really like about our team is that we support the product management with developing new concepts and looking out for the latest trends. But we also support each other because we have a very different role.
Yeah, where you focus more on the long-term trends, I try to focus on the short-term, where I try to introduce new concepts, new business models, new product-service combinations. Servitisation is the process, the phenomenon that classic manufacturers are shifting more towards becoming service providers. And we as Boon Edam are a classic manufacturer as well. We've done this for 140 years. And we have to think about how and what type of services will we be offering on top of our products in the near future.
When we talk about services, we see a great shift from buying one product at a time, paying that bill immediately, or like concepts like security as a service. Can you elaborate on that? How that look like?
Well, what you see is that the world is changing from a transactional model where you have a one-time transaction to a more
a service model, right?
A service model, yeah.
It is servitization, right?
In the old world, we would sell the product and it would be there for 10 years. If the world changes and the customer would want to upgrade their security level, we would have to sell them a new product. The services coming out of the servitization process allow us to have a long-term relationship with the customer and allow us, or give us the opportunities to have multiple contact points, touch points with this customer to upsell and to upgrade the level of technology that is available at that point in time.
And software. We haven't touched upon software yet.
Software integration, we see that we are part of an ecosystem when we're in the building, so we have to integrate with building management systems, with access control systems, otherwise we will not be relevant in the future, so we have to focus on those two things. Yeah, I think we work really well together. We have an excellent team where we have the long-term focus here with Jonas and the short-term focus with me. We have an excellent handover, and we do have impact on the daily business of Boon Edam as well, which is awesome. So I really love my job.
What I really like, we have a lot of fun and still making great impact on the business, and I think that's awesome.